Now, the month of November is a fantastic month for true wireless earbuds. So if you're looking for the best sounding true wireless earbuds on the market, you're going to want to watch this video. This is EBPMAN Tech Reviews, and today we're going to take a look at the Master & Dynamic MW07 Plus, but also we're going to take a look at the MW07 Go. Let's check out both of these earbuds. Now, the month of November is a fantastic month for true wireless earbuds, and today we're going to take a look at two of Master & Dynamic new series of earbuds that fall into the MW07 line. We're looking at the Go series and the Plus series, and the cool thing about this review is that the Plus series now includes active noise canceling as well as transparency mode. So let's get right to it.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the little bell icon to get notified when new videos become available.
Now, as we take a look at what's in the box, you'll find that both of these products are going to have the exact same accessories. So what you have is some ear tips, and the ear tips that you're going to have are going to be small, medium, and large, and you're going to have a series of these. And in addition to the ear tips, you're also going to find small, medium, and large wing tips that you'll be able to use to stabilize the earbuds. You'll find a USB-C cable, which is great on both sides, and then you have this converter that's going to allow you to connect your USB-C to USB-A connectivity. You also then have the actual earbuds with a case, and as you can see, there is a slight difference with the Go's. The case is a little bit different, but we'll look at that in detail. You also then have this little travel pouch where that you can actually put the actual case and earbuds if you'd like, and then you have an instruction guide. Now, the battery life on these are incredible. They outclass the AirPods Pro that were just recently released. So you're looking at 10 hours of battery life, and the increase is substantial because you're looking at the original model that you see here only had 3.5 hours. So the story gets even better. So as we take a look at these two and you look at the 10 hours of battery life for each, you have 15-minute charge. 15 minutes charge is going to give you 5 hours of additional use, which is, again, game-changing as it compares to even the most recently released earbuds that we've looked on the market. Now, with this one, because the case is a little bit smaller, you're going to get a total usage of 22 hours because you really can't charge it that much because of the size. Now, with these, you're going to get a total playing time of 40 hours. So when you're comparing the two, again, this one's $199 and this is $299, 22 hours of playtime, and here you're going to get 40 hours of playtime. But each of the earbuds will last 10 hours on a single charge. Now, the case for the MW07 Go's is very lightweight, and it has a cloth material all the way around it. You'll notice that it has USB-C as a connection, which is great, and it's much smaller than the Plus, but it has less battery life. Now, the case itself has a really nice locking mechanism. It's magnetic, so when I put them in here, they're not going to come out, and you can see they don't quite automatically self-guide, but they do lock into place really nicely. And if I were to flip this over, it's not going to come out. Now, the other thing about this is that these retain battery life really, really well. So I haven't experienced, even with the original ones, any kind of significant battery drain. I've gone weeks with this in my bag, taken them out, and they still have a charge. So they do great when it comes to battery draining. Now, over here, this case is a little bit different. It's a metal case, fingerprint magnet, huge fingerprint magnet, but it does share some of those attributes where as you put them in the case here, they kind of lock into place really nicely. Flip them over, they're not going to come out, and as you close this, it also is not going to open. Now, it doesn't have kind of like a spring mechanism like this one does. You kind of have to push it forward to close. This one will automatically, as soon as you let it go, it locks into place. So again, you get a larger battery and you get kind of like a more executive looking case than you do with the Go's, but you also get more capacity with the Plus. Now, the two near earbuds have inherited a lot of the features from the previous version. So this is our MW07, the original, and it has an acetate material that's used to make these. And then as we go over here, you notice that the earbud is much smaller in size and it also is lighter in weight, and I actually prefer this. 7.4 grams is the weight versus 9. Now, if we compare these two together, you'll notice that they look the same in size and they actually are the same in weight, but the technology has changed. So now the Pluses have active noise canceling as well as transparency mode, but you notice that the features are very similar. They do have the same wing construction, and they do have the same earbuds that go in, and you notice that they have the same contact points. Now, one of the big differences that you'll find between these two is that this one has a single mic for phone calls, and these have 2 mics per earbud. So this is going to give you a better call experience. Now, both of these earbuds support Bluetooth 5.0, which means they're going to have great range, 100-foot range, and there's no issues with keeping, the images and the vocals in sync when you're watching either Netflix, if you're watching Hulu, if you're watching YouTube. no problems whatsoever with either of them. Now, when it comes to call quality, both of these have stereo sound when you're taking phone calls, but there's a difference when you look at the Go's. The Go's only support the right earbud in your ear by itself. So if you would like to swap them out, like use your left one for a little bit and then use your right one, you can't do that. You can only do that with your right earbud. Matter of fact, it only has one mic, and the mic is in the right earbud. Now, as we take a look at the Plus have two mics in them, and let's take a look at these a little bit closer. So you'll notice that you have the buttons here, and these buttons are going to allow you to control volume as well as active noise canceling, and also the transparency mode. And as we flip them over, you'll start seeing that these also have some mic input points, right? So you see that you have two mic holes that are going to be available to allow you to capture better audio and cancel audio when taking phone calls. So now we're going to do a call quality test of the Master Dynamics MW07 Go's. We're simulating a noisy coffee shop environment. You can see that the noise is anywhere from 57 to 83 decibels. Now this is what the call quality would sound like when making a phone call on the Master Dynamics MW07 Go. This is a test, 1, 2, 3, this is a test. Let me know what you thought of the call quality in the comment below. So now we're going to do a call quality test of the Master Dynamic MW07 Plus in a noisy coffee shop-like environment. As you can see, we have 360 sound going on. Decibel readings are anywhere from 60 to 83 decibels. Now we're going to go ahead and switch. This is what the call quality will sound like when taking a phone call in a noisy coffee shop-like environment with the Master Dynamic MW07 Plus. This is a test, 1, 2, 3, this is a test. Let me know what you thought of the call quality in the comments below. Now, both of these earbuds are gym-friendly, meaning that they have an IPX rating. The Go's have a IPX rating of 6. The Plus have an IPX rating of 5. I don't know why there's a difference in the rating. It could be because of the mic array, or it could be because of the material itself. But the bottom line is that you can use them both in the gym because they're both rain resistant and they're also sweat proof. Now, when I talk to rain, it's not about being drenched, it's sprinkles. And when it comes to sweat, if you sweat profusely like I do, you're fine as well. Now, as we take a look at the music reproduction, they do an amazing job. They're great earbuds. One of the things I found that was pretty interesting is that as I was listening to the Go's, these right here, I compared them to the original Master Dynamic, again, MW07s, and they sound identical. My test included 2 phones streaming Spotify, and I had 1 earbud of each type in each ear. So I had the right earbud for the Go's because that's the only one I can use independently, and then I was using the Master Dynamic one on my left, and I was playing them. And I found that I couldn't tell the difference. The sound signature is absolutely the same, which is not a bad thing. So with these, they're going to favor the warm side. They have bass, mids, and highs are going to be present. You're going to feel bass is present, but the bass doesn't overwhelm the mids and the highs. Everything is HD, in my opinion. Crispy, clear, the highs and the mids, and then the basses are going to be there, and they're going to be, again, very thumping, strong bass. So for the $199, you get the quality of the higher end MW07. Now, as we took a look at the Plus, in my experience, the Plus was improved. I felt that as I compared it to the original and as I even compared it to the Go's, I found that the bass was more vibrant as well. Mids and highs were just crispy clean. And this is my playlist. So these are the songs I was just checking out, and, you know, listening to Lorelei, listening to Charlie, listening to, again, UMI. I just found that, you know, testing out the bass, testing out vocals, testing out all the instruments that come in, trying to look at the soundstage, they did a phenomenal job. So if you're looking for, in my opinion, one of the best sounding earbuds at this price point, again, even better than the AirPods Pro, check out the Master Dynamics. This is a great value. This, with the active noise canceling and also the transparency mode, is even better. Now let's talk about active noise canceling as well as transparency mode. So the transparency mode on these, all you have to do is press one of the buttons here. So let me just pop this out of my ear for a second. You press and hold this button here, and you're going to be able to cycle through transparency mode on and transparency mode off. If you want to have the active noise canceling, you press the upper button, press and hold that, and you'll be able to do the same thing. Now, from a transparency mode perspective, as we put these on, the transparency mode is great. You hear everything around you. You don't have to take off the earbuds. It doesn't increase your hearing. It doesn't create like super hearing type abilities or enhance the hearing, but it does make it seem like you don't have any earbuds, and nothing sounds digitized. You're able to hear yourself really nicely. And if you're working out or you're walking in an area that you want to make sure that you understand what's going on around you, they're definitely a good thing to have. From an active noise canceling, they do well as well. But if you're going to ask me, how does this compare to, let's say, the Sonys, which one has the best active noise canceling, I still give it to the Sony XM3s. If you ask me to compare it between this and the AirPod Pros, I'd say they're around the same area. Maybe the AirPods Pro is just slightly above, but not significant. So decent job with the active noise canceling, great job when it comes to transparency, but when it comes to music, that's where they are amazing. So guys, that wraps up our review of the MW7 Plus and the MW07 Go. Very affordable option, fantastic battery life, and you can't go wrong with either of these when it comes to music reproduction. Let me know which one you're going to pick up in the comment area below.